2 miles, take exit 94 for I-69 Business Loop toward East Lansing.
As the 7-year Beers War.
Bring me a different. Thank you so much. Thank you. Guys, you can need forks. Thank you. Have a good one. Enjoy.
All right, so we just left Pie Pie My Darling, and now we are on our way to the swap food truck. Let's go.
From Sheared Elephant.
Are you really getting married in 2 hours?
They just said 19 grams of soy protein. Now we're gonna try to Caesar salad with the same swap meat. You know what I'm saying? Swap meat, you heard me? So we made it to Chicago. We stopped at Pie Pie My Darling. We stopped at the Swap food truck. We stopped at D's Roti. And now we're heading to Penelope's. Let's go. 52 hours in Chicago. go with Pie Pie My Darling. Wow. Wow. That boy's good. Damn. We already know I'm in Chicago. I just stopped by another vegan market by Chicago Test Kitchen. Amazing events. Check them out if you haven't already. But today we stopped at Herbivore Chicago, my guy. I'm saying that double decker from Herbivore Chicago. That cheesy gordita crunch. And we also stopped at the Vulgar Vegan and we got the breakfast at Tiffany's cupcake. She told me it was a breakfast cupcake and we're gonna find out. Wow. And finally, we got the kindly caramel apple kit. We got the salted chocolate chip cookie. We got the salted chocolate chip cookie. Look at how big this cookie is. What? Look at how big this cookie is. What? Once again, another giant cookie. oatmeal cream pie. I think it's called a giant oatmeal cream pie. That boy big. The apple cider cupcake. And last but not least, the Butterfinger mini pie. Let's go. Wow. Whoa. That is a thick, rich cake. I ain't even gonna play with this boy. I might fuck around and pass out. I got the curry potato and chana Dalpuri roti. Boy, do you know how long I've been waiting for this?